Hey there, language lovers. Cody here, and boy, do I have something incredible to share with you today. You know what happened to me yesterday? I'm sitting in this busy Bangkok cafe, right? Just people watching, sipping my iced coffee, when suddenly I hear this group of Thai friends at the next table. They're laughing, chatting, having the best time ever. And then it hits me like a lightning bolt. There's this one tiny word they keep using over and over again. I'm talking about a word that's only 2 letters long, but every single time they say it, something magical happens. Their voices get warmer. Their smiles get bigger. It's like they're all part of some secret family club. I started counting, and I kid you not, they used this little word 43 times in just 10 minutes. 43 times. I'm sitting there thinking, what is going on here? What's the secret sauce that makes Thai people sound so connected, so together, so family-like? And that's when it dawned on me. This isn't just a word. This is the key to understanding the Thai heart and soul. Here's the thing that blew my mind. In English, we might say I'm going to the store or I'm eating lunch. Very individual, right? Very me, myself, and I. But Thais? Oh no, they don't think like that at all. They naturally think in terms of us and together, and we're all in this as one big happy family. Today's breaking news headline: local English teacher discovers the 2-letter secret that makes foreigners sound like Thai family members overnight. I'm telling you, this discovery changed everything for me. Suddenly, all those conversations I'd been having with my Thai friends made perfect sense. All those times I wondered why my Thai still sounded so foreign, even though my grammar was correct. I was missing this crucial piece of the puzzle. You want to know the crazy part? This word appears in almost every single Thai sentence. It's like the glue that holds their entire way of thinking together. Without it, you sound like a robot reading from a textbook. With it, you sound like you belong to the Thai family. I've been teaching Thai to foreigners for years now, and I can tell you this: students who master this concept don't just speak better Thai, they connect better with Thai people. They get invited to more dinners. They make deeper friendships. They stop being just tourists and start becoming part of the community. So here's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to share this secret with you. I'm going to show you exactly how this magical 2-letter word works, how to use it naturally, and why it's the difference between sounding like a foreigner and sounding like family. Are you ready to unlock the secret of Thai togetherness? Are you ready to discover how one little word can completely transform your Thai speaking experience? Are you ready to stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a local? Because once you understand this, everything changes. Your Thai friends will look at you differently. Your conversations will flow more naturally. You'll finally sound like you truly get what it means to be Thai. Let's dive in and discover the magic together. Unlock the secret of Thai togetherness, how one little word changes everything. Welcome to the magic of connection. Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm Cody, your friendly guide through the wonderful world of Thai language. You know, I was sitting in a Bangkok cafe yesterday, watching a group of Thai friends chatting and laughing together. Something struck me: the way they spoke wasn't just about words, it was about connection. There's this magical little word that keeps appearing in their conversations, weaving people together like invisible threads. Today's headline story: the 2-letter word that makes Thais sound like family, and how you can use it too. Are you ready to discover how Thais express togetherness, cooperation, and that beautiful sense of we're all in this together? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Gan. Chapter 1: The Foundation. What is Gan? Picture this: you're learning English, and someone tells you there's one tiny word that can transform any action, from me doing something to us doing something together. That's exactly what Gan does in Thai. Gan. Pronounced like gun but with a softer sound, almost like Gan is your ticket to sounding natural and connected when speaking Thai. Think of it as the Thai equivalent of adding together or with each other to your sentences, but it's so much more elegant and essential. Real-life example 1. Picture yourself at a Thai market with your friend, walking side by side through the bustling crowd.
เราเดินข้างกันคุยกันไป
Sounds like Rao Dern Kang Gan. Kui Gan Pai. English, we walk alongside each other, chatting as we go.
เราเดินข้างกันคุยกันไป เราเดินข้างกันคุยกันไป เราเดินข้างกันคุยกันไป
See how
กัน
creates this beautiful sense of companionship and shared experience. Real-life example 2. You're at a Thai cooking class, and everyone's struggling with the spicy som tam.
อาหารนี้เผ็ดมากแบ่งกันกินนะ
Sounds like ne pet mok. Bang gan jen na. English, this food is really spicy. Let's share it together.
อาหารนี้เผ็ดมากแบ่งกันกินนะ อาหารนี้เผ็ดมากแบ่งกันกินนะ อาหารนี้เผ็ดมากแบ่งกันกินนะ
Chapter 2. Level up actions within your inner circle. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When Thais are talking about actions within their close group, family, best friends, intimate circle, they add
เอง
to create.
กันเอง กันเอง
Sounds like ganang means doing something casually among yourselves, like when your family has inside jokes or when close friends do things without formality. Storytelling example 1. Let me tell you about my Thai students, Mint and Boom. Last Friday, they decided to skip their usual study group and explore a hidden temple in the mountains.
พวกเขานี้เรียนกันเองไม่ได้บอกเพื่อน
Sounds like Pue ke kao ne rian ganang. My dai bok pern. English, they ditched class together, just the two of them. They didn't tell their friends.
พวกเขานี้เรียนกันเองไม่ได้บอกเพื่อน พวกเขานี้เรียนกันเองไม่ได้บอกเพื่อน พวกเขานี้เรียนกันเองไม่ได้บอกเพื่อน
Dramatic example 2. Here's something you might overhear at a Thai workplace about office politics.
บางทีเพื่อนร่วมงานก็นินทากันเอง
Sounds like Bong ti pern ruam don gao ninta ganang. English, sometimes colleagues gossip among themselves.
บางทีเพื่อนร่วมงานก็นินทากันเอง บางทีเพื่อนร่วมงานก็นินทากันเอง บางทีเพื่อนร่วมงานก็นินทากันเอง
Chapter 3. The power of group action. When you want to address multiple people or talk about group activities,
กัน
becomes your best friend for sounding natural and inclusive. Practical example 1. You're at a Thai wedding reception and want to help organize the gift table.
ช่วยจัดของขวัญกันหน่อยครับ
Sounds like Chui jet kong kwan gan noi crap. English, could everyone help arrange the gifts together?
ช่วยจัดของขวัญกันหน่อยครับ ช่วยจัดของขวัญกันหน่อยครับ ช่วยจัดของขวัญกันหน่อยครับ
Social example 2. You're planning a weekend trip with your Thai language exchange group.
รอดูอากาศก่อนแล้วค่อยตัดสินใจกัน
Sounds like Ra duagat gone. Lao koi tat sinjai gan. English, let's check the weather first, then decide together.
รอดูอากาศก่อนแล้วค่อยตัดสินใจกัน รอดูอากาศก่อนแล้วค่อยตัดสินใจกัน รอดูอากาศก่อนแล้วค่อยตัดสินใจกัน
Curious conversation A.
กำลังฉลองอะไรกันอยู่หรอ
Sounds like Gumlong chalong arai ganurer. English, what are you all celebrating? B.
ไม่ได้ฉลองอะไรหรอกกำลังเล่นเกมกัน
Sounds like my dai chalong arai rock. Gumlong len jin gan. English, we're not celebrating anything. Just playing games together.
กำลังฉลองอะไรกันอยู่หรอ 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 ไม่ได้ฉลองอะไรหรอกกำลังเล่นเกมกัน ไม่ได้ฉลองอะไรหรอกกำลังเล่นเกมกัน ไม่ได้ฉลองอะไรหรอกกำลังเล่นเกมกัน
Chapter 4. The Wisdom of the Crowd, Collective Beliefs. This is where Thai gets beautifully sophisticated. When expressing what people generally believe, or it's commonly known that Thai uses
กัน
to show these are shared community thoughts. Common expressions.
เชื่อกันว่า
It's believed that. Sounds like cha ganwa.
เข้าใจกันว่า
It's understood that. Sounds like kao jai ganwa.
เป็นที่รู้กันว่า
It's known that. Sounds like pen ti ru ganwa.
เชื่อกันว่า 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 เข้าใจกันว่า 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 เป็นที่รู้กันว่า เป็นที่รู้กันว่า เป็นที่รู้กันว่า
Cultural example.
เชื่อกันว่าการนอนหลับพอช่วยให้สุขภาพดี
Sounds like cha ganwa gan non lap pa chui hai sut kapop di. English, it's commonly believed that getting enough sleep helps maintain good health.
เชื่อกันว่าการนอนหลับพอช่วยให้สุขภาพดี เชื่อกันว่าการนอนหลับพอช่วยให้สุขภาพดี เชื่อกันว่าการนอนหลับพอช่วยให้สุขภาพดี
Modern example.
รู้กันอยู่ว่าโซเชียลมีเดียทำให้คนติดมากขึ้น
Sounds like rugan yua social media tam high content ma kern. English, it's well known that social media makes people more addicted.
รู้กันอยู่ว่าโซเชียลมีเดียทำให้คนติดมากขึ้น รู้กันอยู่ว่าโซเชียลมีเดียทำให้คนติดมากขึ้น รู้กันอยู่ว่าโซเชียลมีเดียทำให้คนติดมากขึ้น
Chapter 5, The Ultimate Expression, Perfect Reciprocity. Finally, let's explore the most elegant way to express each other in Thai.
ซึ่งกันและกัน
Sounds like sung, gan la gan. The word
ซึ่ง
makes it more formal, perfect for important conversations, speeches, or when you want to sound sophisticated.
ซึ่งกันและกัน ซึ่งกันและกัน ซึ่งกันและกัน
Relationship example.
เราต้องเคารพกันและกัน
Sounds like rao tom kao rop gan la gan. English, we need to respect each other.
เราต้องเคารพกันและกัน เราต้องเคารพกันและกัน เราต้องเคารพกันและกัน
Business example.
ทีมงานทั้งสองต้องประสานงานซึ่งกันและกัน
Sounds like team don tom song tom pra sain don sung gan la gan. English, both teams must coordinate with each other.
ทีมงานทั้งสองต้องประสานงานซึ่งกันและกัน ทีมงานทั้งสองต้องประสานงานซึ่งกันและกัน ทีมงานทั้งสองต้องประสานงานซึ่งกันและกัน
Closing, your journey to Thai connection. My friends, you've just learned one of the most powerful secrets of Thai communication.
กัน
Isn't just a grammatical particle, it's a window into the Thai soul, where community, cooperation, and togetherness are woven into every conversation. Think about it. While English speakers might say, I'm going to the store, a Thai person naturally thinks we live near each other, let's help each other, we understand each other. This little word transforms individual actions into shared experiences. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, start using
กัน
in your Thai conversations this week. Watch how Thai people's faces light up when they hear you speak not just their language, but their culture of connection. Remember, learning Thai isn't just about memorizing words, it's about understanding how Thais see the world as a place where we're all connected, where we respect each other, where we belong together. So go out there, use your new superpower, and start building those beautiful Thai connections. Because in Thailand, we don't just communicate to each other.
เราสื่อสารกัน
We communicate with each other, together, as one community.
สู้ๆนะ
Keep fighting the good fight in your Thai learning journey. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, this is Cody, reminding you that in Thai, we're never alone.
เราเชื่อมต่อกัน
We're always connected. What an incredible journey we've just been on together. Let me tell you what you've just discovered today. You've learned about one of the most powerful secrets in the Thai language, a tiny two-letter word that completely transforms how you connect with Thai people. This isn't just grammar, my friends. This is the key to unlocking the Thai heart. Think about what we covered today. we started with the basic foundation, how this magical word turns individual actions into shared experiences. Remember the market example? Walking side by side, chatting together? That's the power of connection right there. Then we leveled up to understanding how close friends and family use a special version of this word when they do things casually among themselves. It's like having a secret code that says we're tight, we're family, we belong together. We explored how this word works when you're talking to groups of people at weddings, planning trips, having conversations. Suddenly you're not just speaking at people, you're speaking with them as part of their community. And here's the beautiful part, we discovered how entire communities share beliefs and knowledge using this concept. It's not just I think or you know, it's we all understand together and our community believes. Can you feel how much warmer and more connected that sounds? Finally, we learned the most elegant way to express perfect reciprocity, the formal way that shows deep respect and mutual understanding between people or groups. But here's the thing that makes me so excited, this is just the beginning. This one concept opens the door to understanding the entire Thai way of thinking. When you master this, Thai people don't just hear correct grammar. They hear someone who truly gets their culture of togetherness and connection. Now, I need your help to keep this amazing journey going. Creating these lessons takes so much time and research. I spend hours making sure every example is perfect, every explanation is clear, and every cultural insight is authentic. But you know what keeps me motivated? It's knowing that somewhere out there, someone like you is having that aha moment, finally understanding why Thai sounds so beautiful and connected. So here's my heartfelt request. If this lesson helped you understand Thai culture better, if you can already imagine yourself using this knowledge to connect with Thai people, if you dream of coming to Thailand and living like a local, please support this channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Ring that bell icon. And if you really want to master Thai, listen to this lesson again and again. Repetition is your best friend in language learning. I promise you this, if you stick with me, if you keep watching and practicing, in just a few months you'll be speaking Thai in a way that makes locals smile with genuine warmth. You won't just be a tourist asking for directions. You'll be someone who understands and respects their beautiful culture of connection. Your support means everything to me. Every subscriber, every notification bell, every person who shares these lessons, you're helping me continue this mission of building bridges between cultures through language. Are you ready to transform your Thai? Are you ready to sound like family instead of a foreigner? Then let's do this together. Subscribe now, and let's unlock the secrets of Thai, one beautiful word at a time. Thank you for being part of this incredible community. Together, we're not just learning a language, we're building connections that last a lifetime.
Like a local. Be Thai like a local, like a local. Be Thai like a local, like a local.